Meanwhile, the novel coronavirus has killed more than 3,041 people worldwide, with 2,912 people in China alone. 42 new deaths were reported in China on Sunday, with 202 new cases of infection. Up next, an update on how China is coping up with the coronavirus.
China has 202 new confirmed cases of COVID-19, 42 new deaths, and 141 new suspected cases reported on Sunday. All the new deaths were in central China's Hubei province, the epicenter of the outbreak. And of the new confirmed cases, only 6 are outside Hubei. The latest data indicate that 2,837 patients were cured and discharged from hospital. 255 got out of serious conditions, and 8,154 people in close contact with confirmed patients were released from medical observation under quarantine on Sunday. The number of discharged patients who have recovered from the novel coronavirus disease has exceeded 40,000 across China as of midnight of Sunday.
近一周，武汉、湖北和全国确诊病例治愈率均持续上升，全国治愈出院比例达到52.1%，说明全国疫情防控总体形势持续向好，医疗救治效果明显。
His opinion was echoed by officials from the World Health Organization.
我们早期的病毒的快速的分离，诊断试剂盒的快速的研制成功，并进入临床诊断，这些方面也都聚集了很多的经验。所以我想，我们的这次考察报告，能对这个疾病、对这个病毒、对我们的防控措施和策略进行详细的描述和介绍，对世界各国将是一种借鉴和启示。
Tens of thousands of medical professionals from across China have joined in the battle against the coronavirus in Wuhan. And apart from clinical treatment, the medics have been creative and have gone beyond the call of duty to meet the needs of patients.
我们就能够了解患者到底是想要干什么，就很方便互换沟通。谢谢白衣天使，谢谢。回家还是要辛苦了。
As enterprises resumed operations across China, migrant workers in East and Northeast China have been gradually returning to work.
这一趟列车是给我们免费提供的，没有掏1毛钱的票钱。然后是列车不定时的工作人员在里面消毒，然后是不定时的给我们量体温，卫生环境也很好。
On Monday, employees trickled back to work in Beijing and Shanghai, as traffic appeared to be gradually resuming on the streets.
就是员工可以先休息在家待着，然后我们肯定还是得先到。
现在员工还是在休息吗？还是？
我们现在就是轮岗，叫北京不是有要求50%到岗吗？我们叫 AB 班，一半的人来上班，
这样会不会影响就是企业的正常运作？
其实原则上还是会影响，因为毕竟在家办公的效率还是不一样，然后呢，能到办公室的呢，可能效率还是会高一些。
Meanwhile, a group of international experts has concluded that China's effective preventative and control measures in its fight against the novel coronavirus outbreak serve as invaluable lessons for other countries facing an outbreak of the virus.
As global death toll from the coronavirus outbreak exceeded 3,000, countries across the world are enforcing stringent emergency measures to control the spread. Here is an international wrap on how the world is dealing with the coronavirus.
42 new deaths from COVID-19 were reported in China on Sunday, with 202 cases of infection. All the new deaths were in Hubei province, the epicenter of the outbreak. The total number of confirmed cases in China is now upwards of 80,000, bringing the global total to around 88,000. Reports suggest a drug is under trial in China as a possible therapy against coronavirus. The drug has till now been used to treat people with HIV. The news has led to panic buying across mainland China. But the world is still looking for a vaccine against the novel coronavirus. Till now, there are no proven therapeutics for COVID-19. Italy reported a 50% increase in coronavirus cases over the weekend, with authorities reporting 1,694 confirmed coronavirus cases and 34 deaths. Till now, Italy has reported the highest number of virus cases in Europe. Italian authorities have shut schools, universities, museums, cinemas and theatres across much of northern Italy as new coronavirus outbreak worsens, but a school near Milan is using digital technology so children do not miss lessons.
Grazie agli strumenti forniti dalla dirigente, dall'animatore digitale, in questa piattaforma di Google Suite abbiamo continuato sostanzialmente le nostre lezioni online. Il lavoro non è cambiato granché, nel senso che già all'inizio dell'anno abbiamo attivato questa piattaforma proprio per una metodologia didattica che è della classe capovolta o flipped classroom, per cui di fatto i ragazzi svolgono dei compiti digitali a casa e dopo di fatto arrivano già preparati sull'argomento in classe.
In South Korea, which reported 599 new cases on Monday, there have been 26 virus-related deaths so far. The leader of a religious sect in South Korea will be investigated over some of the country's coronavirus deaths. The government has charged Lee Man-hee, the founder of Shincheonji Church, and 11 others. They are accused of hiding the names of members as officials tried to track patients before the virus spread. South Korea has reported 3,730 coronavirus cases, the highest outside China, and 21 deaths so far. Iran has reported 385 new corona cases, bringing the total to over 970. The death toll has risen to 54, the highest outside China. These numbers come amid continuing concerns from West that official figures still do not reflect the full scale of the outbreak there. Authorities have called on Iranians to avoid public spaces and stay at home. Schools, universities, cultural and sports centers have been temporarily closed across the country. Britain announced a jump in coronavirus cases on 1st of March. 13 new infections came up, taking the total to 36. Prime Minister Boris Johnson warned that the number is likely to rise. Reports suggest that government has also set up a war room to roll out public health campaign encouraging people to wash their hands for 20 seconds or more. The US has at least 77 confirmed cases of the virus and 2 deaths have been reported so far in the country. President Donald Trump announced new travel restrictions to halt the spread of COVID-19.
Cases in the United States are likely, but healthy individuals should be able to fully recover. And we think that will be a statement that we can make with great surety now that we've gotten familiar with this problem.
With many, in fact, countries reporting for their first cases of coronavirus in the last week, companies around the world have been cancelling events, rattling the $1.4 trillion corporate travel sector. Indian travel firms too are feeling the pinch. Losses due to the coronavirus outbreak coupled with the collapse of Jet Airways and Cox & Kings last year have been nothing short of catastrophic. It has resulted in the sentiment of the travel industry, stakeholders being at an all-time low in the confidence.
Coronavirus has badly affected our business. We have never received such a big amount of cancellation in the travel history. Things are really very bad. Indians are avoiding to travel across the world, if you really ask me. Especially Southeast Asia has, all the bookings are put on hold or the cancellation has come. They don't want to take any chances to travel. And even the European cancellation has started. Today morning I received a big amount of cancellation with a cruise group which was traveling. It's got cancelled. They refused to pay. Travel season is practically right now it's looking not at all promising. Scene is looking very bad. Let's see if they are able to manage any vaccination or any antidote, then things will gradually start moving in positive way. Otherwise, right now, absolutely no hope for this particular season.
तो 15 मार्च से लेकर के 1 अप्रैल तक हम लोग मानते हैं कि ये जो है पर्यटन का सबसे उच्चतम स्तर होता है जिस वक्त लोग घूमने के लिए जाते हैं और इनकी ये बुकिंग जो होती है वो अक्टूबर और नवंबर के अंदर हो जाती है और अब उसका कैंसिलेशन स्टार्ट हो चुका है। 90% से ज्यादा की बुकिंग कैंसिल हो चुकी है। हालात ये हैं कि जो सेलिंग सिंगापुर से थाईलैंड और मलेशिया के लिए होती है क्रूज की, ड्रीम क्रूज की, उसकी सेलिंग भी बंद हो चुकी है 23 फरवरी से लेकर 23 मार्च तक, तो उनका कैंसिलेशन हो चुका है।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.